How to access professional dashboard in Facebook. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So first thing first, you have to have installed this Facebook application in your device and get logged into the specific Facebook account which you would like to convert to professional account. As you do so, tap on menu page, you will see a section like this. In here, you have to locate your username. So simply type in your username here, and then tap on the three-dot icon just beside Edit Profile. Now, in order to access the professional dashboard of Facebook, you have to convert your personal account to a professional account. Simply tap on Turn on Professional Mode at the second last option. Tap Turn On. And likewise, professional mode allows you to do things like these. So simply tap on Next, Next. And you can also choose Public as a default audience. Tap Confirm. And likewise, this is the monetization page. And if you go back onto your profile, refresh it, you can see that now you will see Professional Dashboard. You tap onto it, and then this is how you can access Professional Dashboard in your Facebook. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.